What if there was a motorcycle that invited you to ride every day? Whether it was heading out for a quick errand in traffic, cruising a scenic highway, or exploring twisty back roads you've never been on before. What if one bike could do all of that without overwhelming power, without complicated gadgets, and without breaking the bank on maintenance? Today, we're going deep into a motorcycle that's built for real riders who want versatility, reliability, and fun. The 2026 Honda NX500. Stay with us until the very end of this video because there's a special surprise waiting that every true rider and Honda fan will absolutely want to see. The Honda name is known all around the world for building motorcycles that simply work in real life. Honda bikes have earned respect because they are dependable, easy to maintain, sensible to own, and enjoyable to ride. The NX line carries that legacy forward with a bike that blends everyday practicality with genuine adventure capability, and the 2026 Honda NX500 takes everything that was good and refines it even further. This is a machine that's designed to be usable, enjoyable, and trustworthy, not just in perfect conditions, but in real-world scenarios where roads are rough, traffic is dense, and riders want a machine that keeps up with their lifestyle. At the core of the 2026 Honda NX500 is a dynamic yet manageable engine that delivers a balance of torque and smooth power delivery tailored for both everyday use and spirited riding. Honda has purposefully tuned this engine not for raw, intimidating horsepower, but for usable power throughout the range, from low speeds in traffic to steady cruising on open roads. What this means in practice is that the bike feels confident and responsive the moment you twist the throttle. You don't have to chase revs. The power is there, where you need it. In many motorcycles, the power delivery can feel abrupt or hard to control, especially for newer riders. But with the NX500, Honda engineers have dialed in an engine character that feels friendly, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. The torque that you need for pulling out of slow corners, overtaking on highways, or climbing hilly roads is accessible and smooth. This makes the bike approachable for beginners while still satisfying experienced riders who want a motorcycle that feels alive and responsive without being overly aggressive. Pairing with that engine is a transmission that shifts smoothly, predictably, and intuitively. Whether you're riding in slow city traffic or cruising at higher speeds, the gear ratios feel well-spaced and supportive of your riding style. The clutch action is light enough to be easy on your hands during long rides or frequent gear changes, yet firm enough to feel secure when you need precise control. This combination of engine and gearbox behavior gives the NX500 a real-world feeling of connection and fluidity between rider and machine, something that's hard to find in bikes that lean too heavily toward one type of riding or another. Fuel efficiency is another area where the 2026 Honda NX500 stands out. Thanks to efficient engine tuning and Honda's focus on everyday usability, this bike offers impressive mileage in typical riding conditions. Riders who commute daily or take long trips will appreciate that fewer fuel stops are needed, which saves both time and money over the long haul. This kind of real-world efficiency matters, especially when you're using the bike for practical purposes as well as fun rides. The frame and chassis of the 2026 Honda NX500 are engineered for balance and stability. Honda knows that a bike's strength isn't just about engine performance. It's about how that power is delivered to the road, how the bike handles corners, and how confident the rider feels at every speed. The NX500's chassis gives it a planted feel on paved surfaces, yet agile feedback when you want to explore broken roads, scenic back roads, or light trails. It doesn't feel heavy or bulky, even when the pace picks up, and it doesn't feel nervous or unstable in slower, tighter situations. Suspension is a key factor in how a motorcycle performs across different types of terrain, and the NX500 setup reflects Honda's intent of building a versatile machine. The front forks are tuned to absorb bumps and imperfections with composure, which is especially appreciated on rougher pavement or broken surfaces. The rear suspension keeps the back wheel connected and planted, providing traction and confidence, whether you're leaning through a curve or rolling over uneven ground. This balance helps the bike feel smooth and composed without being too soft or too stiff. Braking performance on the 2026 Honda NX500 is designed for confidence and predictability. The front brake delivers strong, consistent stopping power, and the rear brake supports controlled deceleration when needed. Honda's setup doesn't rely on overwhelming electronics to do the work for you. Instead, it gives you a mechanical feel that's easy to modulate. This natural braking response is especially helpful when conditions change, like moving from dry pavement to wet roads, because it gives the rider predictable feedback and control. Handling is where the NX500 really shines. Many motorcycles can feel either too heavy in turns or too nervous at speed, but this bike strikes a balance that feels natural under your control. Whether you're weaving through urban traffic or hitting twisty rural roads, the bike steers with precision and confidence. The geometry and weight distribution make it feel responsive without being eager in an unsettling way. This kind of balanced handling is one of the reasons that riders of all skill levels, from beginners to experienced, feel at home on the NX500. Comfort is another area where Honda has clearly put thoughtful engineering to work. Adventure riding or longer commutes should ease strain, not add to it, and the ergonomics on the 2026 Honda NX500 reflect that. The seat is shaped to offer support over extended rides without becoming overly firm or uncomfortable. The upright riding position helps reduce strain on the back and shoulders, making longer days in the saddle feel less tiresome. The handlebars sit where your hands naturally fall, which helps maintain control without awkward angles. And the foot peg position is balanced so that your feet feel secure yet relaxed. Another practical aspect of the NX500's design is wind protection. The fairing and windscreen are shaped to direct airflow in a way that reduces fatigue during highway runs without creating excessive turbulence around the rider. This attention to comfort helps make longer rides feel more enjoyable and less tiring, something that's especially valuable if you plan to use this bike for touring or extended weekend trips. Visually, the 2026 Honda NX500 carries a purposeful yet modern design. The styling doesn't rely on flashy gimmicks or trendy looks. Instead, it embraces a rugged, functional aesthetic that feels confident and ready for action. Elements like the high front fender, sculpted tank, and angular bodywork give it an adventure-ready appearance without losing everyday practicality. The graphics and color schemes for this model year add a fresh, contemporary touch to the bike's presence on the road. Practicality extends beyond how the bike looks and rides. It also shows up in how the 2026 Honda NX500 accommodates real-world needs. Whether you want to add luggage for extended touring, mount protective accessories for rougher roads, or fit auxiliary lights for improved visibility, the bike's design supports thoughtful customization. Honda has created a platform that's ready to adapt to your riding style rather than forcing you into one rigid purpose. Maintenance and ownership experience are important too, and Honda has a long reputation for building motorcycles that are easy to live with. Routine tasks like oil changes, brake checks, chain adjustments, and general inspections are designed to be straightforward. The relative simplicity of the bike systems without excessive electronic complexity means that service costs stay reasonable and predictable. For riders who use their bike regularly, this translates to fewer unwelcome surprises and more time spent riding. Another advantage of the NX500 is its versatility. Some motorcycles feel great in one environment, but struggle in others. The NX500 doesn't feel restricted that way. It feels capable on smooth pavement, confident on rougher surfaces, and composed on winding roads. Whether you're using it as a daily commuter, an occasional adventure partner, or a long-distance touring companion, it adapts to the task without feeling like it's out of place. When compared with other bikes in its class, the 2026 Honda NX500 stands out because it doesn't force the rider to choose between comfort, capability, and everyday usability. Some bikes might push higher peak power or advanced electronics, but real riders know that measurable performance isn't everything. What matters most is how the bike behaves when the roads aren't perfect, when traffic is heavy, when the weather changes, or when your ride stretches into hours.